Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier allows tethering and that your plan has enough data. This prevents surprise throttling. Once done, plug in or ensure battery is healthy and enable mobile data so connections stay stable. Next, open Settings, then Network or Connections, and locate Mobile Hotspot. This is the action that will turn your phone into a router. Make sure to pick a clear network name and prepare a WPA2 or WPA3 password to protect your device and data. You now configure the hotspot settings so it works fast and securely. First, set a concise SSID. Shorter names connect faster and avoid exposing personal info. Next, select WPA2 or WPA3 security and enter an 8+ character password. This prevents unauthorized use and unexpected data charges. If your phone offers 4 GHz or 5 GHz bands, choose 5 GHz for speed when close or 4 GHz for range. Finally, enable a device limit and idle timeout to conserve battery and data. You finish by connecting a laptop or tablet. Select the SSID and type the password, then confirm the client receives an IP address and can browse. If there's no internet, first toggle mobile data and the hotspot off and on, then restart your phone. This clears simple glitches. Make sure APN settings match your carrier if problems persist, and run a quick network diagnostic on the client. If issues remain, contact your carrier. Also monitor data usage to avoid exceeding limits and unexpected fees.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.